Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check how much RAM your laptop has in Windows 11. So let's jump right in. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, select Settings. Inside Settings, click on System from the left-hand menu. Now scroll down and select About. Here, under Device Specifications, you'll see a section called Installed RAM. This shows you the total amount of RAM in your laptop, as well as how much is usable. Another way to check is by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, then click on Memory. Here you can see not only the total RAM, but also how much is currently in use. And that's it. Now you know how to check the RAM on your laptop or desktop running Windows 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.